Good morning, y'all. It's the dude in the box truck. It's Thursday. Guess what? Windows for breakfast. Gonna see what we got going down. See if this truck's full, half full, quarter full. Cause I don't know. Keep y'all posted. Got too much at all. Whoops. Looks like we got a lot of stops in and around Metro Atlanta today. I know one in Canton. I'm looking at the list. Got Euclid Avenue. That's Decatur. Duluth. Gonna be doing a lot of little cities today. We might be helping out the other guys with a big job in Marietta, I think it is. Boom. This is the Atlanta truck. Got a bunch of stops. This is the Rome truck. You won't see us delivering this because the boys are gonna do this one.
Let it go. Yeah, we'll go sideways a little bit. Don't forget
Then this is the job we're doing in Alpharetta. We're all gonna do this one. Then move to Alpharetta, the first job. We're gonna do that and then split up. I like your car.
How many guys you got here? 5?
1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, sir.
Lunch. Lunch. Oh, appreciate it. Lunch. Thanks, bro. And lunch. Got everyone?
You the man.
One more. Just do it. Huh? One more. One more? You watch out.
Yeah, you gotta give the guy on the truck one.
Oh, did I? Oh, I'm short one. Sorry. Sorry.
You need me up there?
You want to carry it? Right?
No. Make the table a little bit around back.
Oh yeah, we can take it all the way. Because there's enough room.
Either that or just put it on my shoulder.
Yeah, you on this side. Chris, you left. All right. Oh, I'm walking. You got that tree stuff right there. You didn't even think about it. Right. Little hollies are gonna get you.
Yeah, we need to raise this thing up. I need to play the lottery today. I'm in Alpharetta. The homeowner was really cool, which is really rare in Alpharetta. Asked us to take it around the back. Gave us some lunch money, man. 20 bucks a piece. Like I said in one of the earlier videos, there's people that are cool and there's people that aren't. We'll do cool stuff for cool people. We don't do cool stuff for uncool people. We on the way to stop number 2. So I guess the next one on the left past these cranes.
Destination.
Yeah.
Well done out there.
They got a really cool pond. And a really cool deck. Go knock on their door, see if they're home. Well, they're not answering the door, but there's a gate open. I'm gonna go check. Hello! Once again, ladies and gentlemen, they lucked out. It's only one window. Let's see.
Put it down. Try to get across.
You want me to pull it?
Yeah, I got it. A little more. Alright, sounds good.
Yeah, it's a death trap right there.
It's slipping. Now let's table it.
Yeah, we can probably table it. Oh, that's awesome. They moved the dumpster over. Make room for the dude in the box truck. And we got them all in a row. They want them downstairs. But it's only some single windows. Ain't got too much going on today. If I call boss man, that's what he's gonna say. Well, y'all ain't got too much going on today, so might as well get it done. Well, that job didn't go as planned for us or them. They wanted the windows and the double door downstairs. We took the windows downstairs in the good faith that the guys were gonna help us. The guy picks up one window, takes it down there, and then says he's gotta go. So we put the door on the garage and told the other guy that that was what we were doing unless he could find the army. He couldn't find the army, so they're gonna have to deal with it. On to the next one. We'll go around this corner, see what we got. That's her. We're gonna wait for the older gentleman to leave, and we're gonna pull in and back up so we can get straight to her door. Make it a little easier. We're gonna go straight through this lady's house, so I don't think I'm gonna record this delivery out of respect of her privacy. It's a remodel. She's already living there. She's probably got a lot of pictures on the wall, family, you know, all that stuff. So we're gonna skip this delivery. Dude, sticker on that Toyota says, "Give blood, play rugby." Just one sash. We can stop here for some, deliver a sash and steal some snacks.
Yeah. What's up?
What's going on, fellas?
Hey.
How are y'all?
All right, so. Well, I appreciate it. Good, it is. Yeah. No problem. What part of there are you from? Well, I'm from there. Oh, you're from there.
Told you, snacks. I got a Yoo-hoo, boy. Oh.
Ice cream.
I want that Yoo-hoo. Detour. This is it. I don't know where we're gonna go. Hang out right here, I guess. Knock on her door. You just grab that hand truck, Mac? Job complete. 8 windows. Partner caught the corner of the tree. I don't know what's going on with this gray car, but he's been sitting here ever since I've been caught in traffic way back there. Like he broke down or something. That's not a good spot to be broke down at. Freedom Parkway? No. He looked like a security guard. He's got a uniform on. You know, the one thing that we can always count on in Atlanta is traffic. thick, like them Hooters wings. Tell you what, these bridges down here with the lights on them, when I was little, we used to always pick my great-grandmama up from the airport, and that was my favorite thing to do. I don't know why, I guess it was different, because we don't have these in Gwinnett, but I knew once we hit the lights, we were almost there. A lot of times it makes me think about my great-grandmama when we roll up under these lights. This is it right here. I remember this house. Came here a while ago. Window delivered. So once again, the lady came outside and the homeowner did. And out of respect to her and her family, I didn't want to film. She wanted to check the windows and check everything like that. And that's cool with me. But guess what? That was the last stop. So now all we gotta do is head to the shop. Hopefully it won't be too bad. Hopefully there won't be too much traffic. We're not too far away, maybe 20-30 minutes. But it's been a nice day, semi-long. Everything was not too heavy, but not too light, but we made it work. I appreciate everybody watching. I guess until next time, which will be tomorrow. Dude in the box truck. See y'all later.